Today we're announcing the imminent filing of an initiative petition to raise city funds through a temporary city income tax in order to provide grants to the 24 school districts in which children of Oklahoma City attend school, in order to help with bonuses, annual bonuses for teachers, nurses, and support staff, as well as to try and decrease class sizes in Oklahoma City public schools. We all know that education in Oklahoma City is struggling, and it's not where it needs to be. Governor Fallon has indicated that she doesn't expect any change next year in the legislature with elections next year, and we cannot wait a minimum of 2 years for change and for help with the financial crisis of Oklahoma City public schools within the confines of the initiative petition. So they would need to use it for teacher bonuses, nurse bonuses, support staff bonuses. Remember, we have support staff, cafeteria workers, janitors, assistants to the principals working for as little as $13,000 a year. It's not even minimum wage on an annual scale. And so we want to address all non-administrative personnel.
So just go for salaries of non-administrative?
So not for salaries, but an annual bonus. With Maps for Kids, you had about 70% of the children in I-89 and then the other 30% in the other 23 school districts. Then you'd literally have 24 separate agreements between the city of Oklahoma City and those school districts. The school districts would then negotiate with their unions, and they would their school boards would be making the decision, not the city of Oklahoma City. We're simply granting the money, and then the school boards would decide how much to give to teachers or nurses or support staff, etc.
I-89 is only one of 24 that are in the Oklahoma City district, so this is not, we would get about 70% of this if it went forward, but it's the right thing to do and it's an urgent thing to do. We need kids to have the people they need in place to teach them. We need wraparound services, and if we're going to move forward as a city, we need to move forward with all of our infrastructure. We need to move forward, yes, with streets. We also need to move forward on addressing the incarceration rates that we have. We also need to move forward on funding better mental health care, our Department of Human Services, and schools right there. You can connect the dots very easily when you look at that. If education's not succeeding, then we see that pipeline to prison. We also know that if you're not dealing with mental health, you have a harder time succeeding in education. So we have to move forward as a city, and I once again commend Councilman Shadid on recommending this, doing the legwork on it, and all the support we've gained so far.